You don't even have fingernails.
I cannot believe what I am hearing!
How can you hear it? You don't have ears either.
Holes! Holes!
Conehead.
Yellow!
Pink. It doesn't seem right, but it feels so good.